Meaning of fast lane.
Fast lane.
Fast lane.
Fast lane.
Fast lane. The term fast lane refers to a designated lane on a road or highway that is specifically designed for vehicles traveling at higher speeds. This lane is intended for overtaking slower-moving vehicles and is typically located on the left side of the road. The result of using the fast lane is that drivers are able to reach their destinations more quickly and efficiently, as they are able to maintain a faster speed and avoid being slowed down by slower vehicles. However, it is important to note that the fast lane should be used responsibly and only for its intended purpose to ensure safety on the roads.